Hello everyone, welcome back to Nifty Market Learning channel. In today's video, we will analyze the IPO of Ardee Industries Limited and see whether it is worth to subscribe and based on business analysis, financial analysis and IPO parameters. Before that, if you are still not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel for more notification. So let's get into it. Let's first understand what Ardee Industry Limited does. It was first established in 1993. It is manufacturer of non-ferrous metal products. The company mainly process and manufacturing products made from copper, aluminium, brass and other specialty alloys. It is widely used in battery manufacturing, electric vehicles, automotive, energy storage, chemicals, and industrial applications. The company serves both domestic and international customers. International customers are US, Japan, UAE, Singapore, South Korea, Hong Kong, and Switzerland. So let's look at the shareholders structures of pre and post IPO. The promoters are Isha Gupta, Nikunj Agarwal and Sandeep Agarwal. The pre-IPO, the shareholders or promoters holdings are 91.48% and the public holdings was 8.52%. After IPO, the promoters holding is reduced 67.62%. It is due to dilution. Public 32.38% of post IPO. The promoters are still holding 67.62% even after post IPO. It shows a confidence in promoters of that company. So let's move on to the financial story of Ardee Industries Limited. The total asset is increased from March 2024 to March 2026. It is increased by 38.65% and total income is also increased by 57.18%. Profit after tax is increased by 154.45%. EBITDA is also increased 123.09%. Net worth is also increases 135.48%. Reserves and surplus is also increases and total borrowings is also increases. So total financial position of the Ardee Industries is wonderful. It is very strong. So let's move on to the KPI, key performance indicator. Return on equity is increased from March 2025 to 2026, that is 72% to 81%. Return on capital employed is also improved. It shows the optimum utilization of company's capital. And debt to equity, that is reduced from 2.65 to 1.25%, which is very good. And return on net worth to the shareholders, from it is also increased from 53.15% to 57.46, which is very good. And PAT margin is also improved, EBITDA margin is also improved, and net asset value is also increases from 2.46 times to 5.78 times. Price to book value is 21.54 times, which is increased from their book value. So strong, it has a financially strong performance, consistent growth, healthy margin and returns, and overall financial performance of the company is good. And EPS, the pre-IPO, the EPS is 3.32% and post-IPO is 2.69. and price to equity 15.96, which is pre IPO, and post IPO is 19.7. Market capitalization at offer price, which is 1350.57 crores, and post IPO rupees 1670.57 crores. So let's look at the IPO details. IPO is open for listing is on 5th to 7th August. Listing date is on 12th August. Face value rupees 2 per share. Price band 50 to 53 rupees. Lot size 281 shares. Sale type fresh capital come offer for sale. Issue type book building IPO, listing at BSE and NSE. So total issue size is rupees 426 crores, and fresh issue is rupees 320 crores, and offer for sale is rupees 106 crores. And these are the tentative date. So IPO, as I said, IPO open is on 5th August, allotment 10th August, credit of shares, that is in your demat, August 11th, and IPO is closes on 7th August, refund 11th August, listing is on August 12th. So these are the IPO reservation category. For QIB, there is a 50%, and for NII 15%, and retail investors 35% for one lot, that is rupees 14,893 rupees. So, what are the main objectives of the company IPO? The main objectives are expanding manufacturing capacity for purchasing new plant and machinery, for working capital requirement, business expansion, and general corporate purpose. Then, what are the strength of the company? Strong presence in the non-ferrous metal industry, diversified product portfolio serving multiple industries. It is also not only depending on domestic market, but also it is exports to USA, Japan, UAE, Singapore, Hong Kong, South Korea, and Switzerland. Long-term customer relationship and experienced promoters and management team. It has a good financial performance, that is revenue growth, PAT growth, EBITDA growth, and high net worth growth. Then what is the risk of this company? The borrowings, when compared to previous year, the borrowings is very high, and volatility in copper and other metals prices, dependence on manufacturing and infrastructure demand, foreign exchange risk due to exports, intense competition from organized players, slowdown in industrial demand may affect the growth of the company. So GMP of Ardee Industry IPO as on 6th August, it is 28.30%. The expected listing gain is between 25 to 28%. So what's your opinion to investment on Ardee Industry Limited? Do comment under the comment box. If this video is helpful to you, then subscribe, share and like the channel. Thank you.